Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today, in this video, we are going to teach you how to create a winning resume that stand out in 2024. So, whether you're looking for a first project management role or trying to level up your career in project management, then these tips will help you to land on a dream job. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Start your resume with strong summary. Your resume summary should be a brief overview of your experience, skill, and what makes you a great fit for the role. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Highlight your key achievement and tailor it to the job you're applying for. Next tip is highlight your relevant job experience as per the job description. Focus on your project management role and any related experience that showcase your skills. Use bullet point to describe your responsibility and achievement, and quantify your success whenever possible. For example, you led a team of 10 to complete the 20% under budget. Tip number 3. Don't forget to showcase your project management skill. Include a separate section which lists out all your skills related to project management. You should be mentioning skills like risk management, scheduling, budgeting, software proficiency, and so on. Make sure these skills match the job description to show your perfect fit. Tip number 4. Use action verbs, which makes your resume dynamic and more impactful. The words like led, managed, coordinated, and implemented show your active role in achieving results. Action verbs helps paint a clear picture of your contribution. Tip number 5. Always include your certification and courses. If you have certification like PMP, Scrum Master, or any other relevant credential, make sure you list them. Also, include your highest level of education or any relevant coursework or training. Tip number 6. It's very important to tailor your resume as per the job description. Always modify your resume as per the description provided by the employer. Customize your resume to match the specific requirement of a job description. This shows employers that you are serious about the role and have a skill that they need. Finally, keep your resume clean and professional. Use a simple, easy-to-read format with a clear heading and bullet point. Avoid using too many colors or font, and make sure you are having your contact information is up to date. And there you have it. Follow these tips to create a winning resume that stand out in 2024. Let me know which one is a favorite tip in a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to comment below and we will love to help you out. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.